To look sharp, a 360 video needs a higher resolution than a standard video. Since YouTube often defaults to a low resolution, you might need to maximize it. With some browsers, you might need to do this each time you watch a 360 video. When you first start, I suggest you pause the video until you've set up the resolution. Note that if your internet speed is not fast enough, you might have to decrease the resolution until the video is able to play. If the status row at the bottom is not showing, then simply move the cursor in the browser window and it will appear. To change the resolution, first go to the settings icon at the bottom of the YouTube window and click on it. Then click on Quality. Then click on 2160s 4K. You might have to click on the play button again to start the video. See how much sharper the video looks? If you need to lower the resolution because of network speed issues, then repeat these steps and select a lower value. When you want to navigate in a 360 video, you simply left-click and drag the cursor to the right, left, up, or down. If you click in the video but don't drag the cursor, then the video might stop playing. You can restart it by clicking the play button or by just clicking in the video again. Now practice navigating in this video taken on the Olympic Peninsula in Washington. Be sure to look left, right, up, and down. Enjoy.